Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. Today we're here in San Mateo, California. Me and Sappy, we're gonna grab a bite to eat for lunch here at this taco truck just not too far from our place. It's called Evelina's Taco Truck. And so we're gonna go ahead and do some Mexican tacos today. Well, I am. She has her McDonald's that she was always wanting. And so I got her that earlier. So with that said, I hope you stick with me here. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I hope you subscribe to my channel. That'd be awesome. So the question is, are you hungry? Well, I sure am. Is it called Evelina's food truck?
We're going to change the wrap.
Jaylis. So this place is called Jaylis food truck. So I was actually wrong. It's not Evelina's. This is gonna be their new. I gotta focus it there. Yeah. So this food truck is about Oaxaca's food. Okay, I seen videos on Oaxaca.
Yeah, we saw good moles.
So they're popular for the mole, Oaxaca.
Yeah, the black and the red one we call Colorado.
Oh.
And we sell the famous tlayuda.
Oh, okay.
People over here call like Mexican pizza.
Yeah.
But it's a giant tortilla.
Oh man. Okay.
Beans spread.
I see. Okay, so you have
ring.
So they have this the mole with the rice right here, and then you got this right here.
Tlayuda. That we call tlayuda.
Oh, tlayuda. Oh, okay.
That guy make he tried the mole enchiladas.
You recommend mole enchiladas?
Yeah.
Okay.
The rice and beans, dude, is freaking good.
Let's do it. We're here at Jaylis Cocina's food truck here in San Mateo, and they provided me my meal for today: mole, Colorado, enchiladas here, and yeah, getting ready to go ahead and give this a try. Let's take a look at this here, because I'm getting pretty hungry, and Sappy's gonna watch me kind of eat this here: mole, enchiladas, Colorado. Yeah. Oh, that's really good. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, you definitely taste that mole, and with that enchilada, the mole with the enchiladas, and then you have here the grated cheese here, and some onions, and it's a chicken enchilada, and that mole is really good. Oh wow. Take another bite here. The enchiladas. All right. Wow. Oh, that's good. Oh man, that mole is a highlight of this meal. So much flavor, so much content in it. I've seen mole being made before, and it's a long process to make mole. I'm not sure how this truck here does it, but I've seen videos on mole being made, and they've added so many ingredients to get that type of texture, to get that type of flavor of sauce. So to try it here and have it here locally, a really big advantage for me. Right. Okay. And there we go. Oh wow. You guys have jalapeno? You guys have it? So I got some jalapenos, and I got some spicy sauce that they gave me here. That shall be applied to the food. I guess I'm just gonna lather all over the sauce here. All right. Yes. And I'm gonna put some lettuce on it. Okay.
Spicy salad.
Here we go. Cheers, my friends. Oh wow. Wow, that's good. That spice adds another element of heat to it. It wasn't really spicy in the first place, but adding that red sauce makes it so more impactful for the better. For me, that is really a big spice fan. But enchiladas kind of falling apart on me here. What I think I love about this enchilada, and I've said it already before, it's probably that mole sauce. That mole sauce is so unique. It's sweet.
Chocolate milk.
It kind of has that kind of barbecue texture flavor, but in a more exotic, more Mexican feel, I guess you could say, because it is Mexican food, or from what they called it, Oaxacan food. So this is from Oaxaca. They're traditionally known for their mole. Definitely a iconic representative for Oaxacans. Mole. One bottle. All right, so I ordered the cabeza and lengua tacos because I can't leave a taco truck, Mexican taco truck, without trying the tacos, and especially ones that I just love so much. So yeah, I do. I have it here. Gonna go ahead and try this now. But first, I kind of need a drink. Get a drink. I'm going to put the lime on it here. I'm actually going to lay the cabeza with some of the red sauce. Actually both, the lengua and the cabeza.
Oh yeah.
The rest of the red sauce. Ooh, this is going to be juicy. Cabeza.
Or like just put tinfoil over it.
Oh wow.
Wait a second. Nope.
Oh, that cabeza is just one of a kind.
Okay.
Excellent.
Now on.
I've said it many times in the videos every time I order cabeza. I don't go wrong with it. The texture is just, it's so tender. It's so delicious. You just have to have it. You just have to have it, especially in the taco. Last bite of the cabeza here. Lengua is also that favorite of mine.
So are they getting you something?
Lengua is the cow tongue. And if you haven't had lengua before, it's another one of those meat parts where, although it kind of sounds funny, it sounds like, oh, cow tongue, the actual taste and the texture of the tongue in a taco is out of this world delicious. Highly recommend the tongue. I'm gonna eat this up right now. Cheers.
The corn potatoes, corn potato tacos with steak and with this.
Ooh, that is good. That lengua is just excellent. I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna finish this off here now.
Oh, I love it.
All right,
¿Qué dice, primo? Pasamos en la mañana, estaba
all gone.
Estabas, pero
Empty.
no tenías abierto.
Empty. Right on. Garbage? Cute. My assistant, my little daughter. So I finished up that food. I finished it off. The food was excellent, and I give it a thumbs up. So I shall close it off in the car. All right, well there you have it. Got to try Jalen's taco truck. If I didn't say that in the beginning, I was kind of wrong as far as the name of the truck. They actually had purchased the truck from Evelina's, but their food truck is called Jalen's, and they're going to do a new wrap later on. So with that said, just want to thank Jalen and his team for allowing me to come film. They even gave me a discount on the food, and the food was excellent. If you never tried mole before, it is a must-try Oaxacan dish. It is really a great dish, wonderful flavors. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button to be notified for more future updates. Peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications for more updates. Food vlogs, food travel, and food anything. Later. Want to say bye?